Hey there, food lovers! Welcome to Food for Life, where we bring you delicious recipes that are easy to make and full of flavor. Today, we've got something special for you. A spongy and fluffy homemade vanilla cake. This cake is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a birthday, a celebration, or just a cozy treat for yourself. And the best part? You can make it with just a few simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need. 6 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, 2½ tablespoons of baking powder, 1/4 cup of vanilla extract, 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of pancake flour, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of milk. Now that you have your ingredients, we're ready to begin. So, grab your mixer or mixing bowl, and let's dive in. First things first. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now crack your 6 eggs and separate egg yolk from egg white into 2 different bowls. Make sure there are no eggshells in there, because no one wants a crunchy surprise in their cake. Now, pour in the egg yolk into mixing bowl. You can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer. I prefer stand mixer. Then add 1 cup of sugar and mix them very well until the egg yolk is light and fluffy. Now add the egg white, followed by 1 cup of sugar, and mix the ingredients again for about 2 to 3 minutes using electric mixer. This step is key because we're incorporating air into the mixture, and air is what will give us that soft, spongy texture. Once your eggs are nice and fluffy, it's time to add the baking powder and the vanilla extract. Start mixing again for about 1 minute. Then add the oil and mix all the ingredients again. The goal here is to dissolve the sugar completely and create a smooth, thick mixture. Keep mixing for another 2 minutes until the mixture becomes glossy and slightly creamy. This is what will help the cake rise beautifully. Now add 1 cup of pancake flour and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Start mixing all the ingredients for 3 to 4 minutes. While the ingredients are mixing slowly and gently pour the milk. As it is mixing, you'll notice the batter becoming smoother and thicker. The key is to keep it light and airy, so don't overwork it. Now that your batter is ready, it's time to prepare the cake pans. Grease your cake pan with butter or cooking spray, or you can parchment paper as I do. Once your pan is prepared, carefully pour the batter into the pan. Tap the pans gently on the counter to release any air bubbles that might be trapped in the batter. This will help the cake bake evenly. Now, we're ready to bake. Once the oven is heated, 350 degrees. Place your pan in the center of the oven and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. The cake should rise and turn golden brown. To check if they're done, insert a toothpick into the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, they're ready to come out of the oven. When the cake is done, carefully remove it from the oven and let it sit in the pans for about 10 minutes. This gives it time to cool slightly and firm up before turning it out. After 10 minutes, flip the pan onto a cooling rack or a cutting board and let the cake cool completely. The smell in your kitchen right now? I promise it's heavenly. And there you have it. A perfect, spongy, and fluffy vanilla cake made right at home. You can enjoy it as is, or get creative with frosting, fresh fruit, or a dusting of powdered sugar. Whether it's a special occasion or just a sweet treat for yourself, this cake is sure to satisfy. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're inspired to try baking this cake at home. It's simple, it's fun, and the result is always a hit. Be sure to share this recipe with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious, easy-to-make recipes. Until next time, happy baking!